Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Elden Ring and continue our story. Today we're just probably going to be clearing up some more bosses. Obviously my objective is to kill all the bosses, so we're going to head south. Keep heading south from the previous video and just keep exploring and just clearing out bosses. So let's get right to it. Yo, the colors are kind of beautiful. It says an yo, what the fuck is that? That's a dark horseman. Look at that shit, guys. This guy looks cool. This is gonna be a good fight. Can I kill him? Oh shit, Knight's Cavalry. I don't know, I feel like this guy's over leveled. Why we both just suck ass, I guess? I hit first. Fuck your horse. He might be over leveled. Fuck you. Ooh, not the movement. Don't hit me, bro. Don't hit me. That would have fucking did damage. I hit first. Well, I just... No! Man, what the fuck is that stupid little side jaw? Why could you do that, Torrent? Man, what the... Why can't Torrent do that? How is he jogging sideways? That makes no sense. His horse is like zigzagging. How does his horse do that? Wait. Where'd he go? Was it because of nighttime? That's the only difference I see. How is his horse? How does he have a horse's movement? That's actually crazy. Bro, if you don't get your... Bro, if you don't take your ass back to that campfire, I'm about to put you down for the game. Get out of here. Nah. That's how you miss. Get your booty. Hold up, bro. Bro, you need to back up for your jet. Okay, yeah. He's tripping over there, bro. Nah, fuck out of here. I'm about to kill that nasty horse. Why is he ganging though? What's up, then? You doing too much. I hit first. I'm ass. Like, what the hell was that, bro? I literally got murdered. That was kind of gay, I'm not gonna lie. His horse had movement, bro. He must have got the latest update. How do you have movement with a horse? Come on, Torn, you gotta get your shit up, man. I mean, we could double jump. He can't double jump. What you gotta do is start doing that side job. Like them dancing horses, like them fancy horses. I need to get my blast back. There we go. Bro's horse really had movement though. Like, how do you even achieve that? Kill them all! Kill them all! Nah, you ain't about it. I almost just killed myself. Don't even turn. I'm on. Oh, you like that mess. Wait. Bro just literally became an NPC. Why he just start? He was like, nah, I ain't even. What the fuck was that, bro? I was like, you know, fuck, I ain't trying to fight. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Let me get up. Let me get up. I mean, let me reset. Why am I locking on to people like 10 years away from me? That doesn't make sense. Bro, you can barely even swing that sword and you're trying to fight. Hey, at least he's riding for gang, though. Shut the hell up, motherfucker! They all know I'm here. What the fuck? Bro, tripping. Hold on, let me recuperate stamina. Where'd you come from? I need a hell out. I ain't taking no chances. Like, what the hell was that? Slow down, guys. Slow down. I gotta inspect the cargo. Make sure y'all don't got no drugs. An axe. I can't wield it. Are you serious? Are you serious, my brother? Are you serious? Should I kill him? I only got one flask. That's not enough, honestly. Not enough to be comfortable to kill two of them. Ah, man. Nope, I just died again. Oh my god. Man, look at that you. What? You're alive. Hey, bro, you almost had me. I hit first. Ooh, hold up. Hold up, don't do it to me now. Damn, bro. Get out of here. I need my flask. I did get some pants. How did you miss? Bro, just we can just why am I yelling? Recover, recover. Now get out the way. You better not hit my horse, bro. Oh, oh no, no, don't hit me again. What? Why can't you move? Bro, literally couldn't move. Are you serious, dude? This dude, bro, Torrent. I know you got hit with the sword, but come on now. Their horses be getting hit and they still move. Come on, Torrent. At least be able to use them horns to hit. Man. I need to get you some armor, Torrent. Man, too bad there's no armor for horses in this game. That'd been cool. Nah, fuck that, man. I'm gonna kill this guy. Should have minded your own business. I am booty. That's probably why I was stunned. Tired of your shit. On game, this how we coming. Stupid. Don't ever hit me again. Yeah, die on your horse. Man, I really shouldn't have died there. That was such a stupid death. God. That actually kind of sucks. Try not to die as much and I just died. But then again, knowing me, I'm probably gonna die to fall damage throughout this playthrough. At least like 10 times. Man, yo, it's a war. These guys are going crazy. This dude's hitting for 5 damage, bro. That's tough. I'm on your side, bro. Really, bro? Give me that, give me that. Don't you turn your back on me. Oh, hold on to it to me. Oh, got some armor. Back up. Man, who you rallying? This is you. Come here. Nah, we're gonna kill all these guys. Fuck them. Nah, keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Where's Caesar? Oh god, who's the leader? Ah! 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 Hold on, let me heal out, let me heal out. I'm sorry, Caesar. I had to do it to you. Oh! Oh my god, that scared me. What if he pushed me off? That'd been crazy. Knowing my luck, that's the shit that happens to me anyway, so that wouldn't have been surprising. That actually kind of scared me, man. That was that boy Caesar. I must have killed the wrong one. Yo, you must be the new tarnished.
You do well to steer clear of a Gill Lake fledgling. Dragon roost there.
A dragon, you say?
It's as fearsome as it is majestic. So, unless you're mad or wish to be burned alive, stay clear of the lake. Don't be a fool. Turn back.
Before it's too late.
Before it's too late.
Well, I'll be honest with you, I'm not ready for no dragon. And I already died 2 times. And what should I level up? My strength? Nah. I don't even know if I'm doing a good build, man. I'm just leveling shit up for real. That's how it be, though. Push! Chase me, chase me! Come on, Gramps. Wait! Hey! Damn, heat seeker ass magic. You coming or not, bro? I'm like, you playing hard to get, bro. What's happening when you play hard to get? Take that one. No, I got you right here. Bro, this guy's annoying. Come on, Kaiden. Oh, no, don't hit me, don't hit me. Don't hit me again, don't hit me. No. I gotta get out of the way of that sniper. That lunging shit is crazy. Oh, don't hit me. Okay, bro, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. This guy's scaring me right now. Jesus. Man, that was lucky scary. Also kind of just dog shit. Man, this shit is annoying. Dead ass though. Stupid old magician. There's another one over there. How'd you miss me? Bro, booty. I hit first. Keep going quick. Keep going quick. Clear out the way. I'm coming for you, old man. Am I dead? Oh. Let me get up there. Why don't you be yelling? This thing is too sensitive. Not if I hit first. You next, bro. I'm booty. I'm booty. That's fuck. You thought you was slick, huh? Thought you was slick hiding behind that bush. Nah, ain't no survivors. Can't let them know. Can't let them know I'm coming. Great EP. Happy. The fuck is that on guard shit, bro? On guard motherfucker. Let's see this shit. Man, every single weapon what the fuck? This is an unguard shit, bro. Unguard, bro. Look at this shit. Oh, hell nah. Nah, hell nah. Kinda zesty. Anyways. Oh, I got a dagger. Ooh. Like, I haven't really done shit, honestly. Let's see. Should I just go down here and say fuck it? I'm gonna go down here and say fuck it. Go down here and say fuck it. Holy crap. he hit me. No way. Teleport? I got a sweat already. It's not looking good. There's no way. He moves too fast. Wait. Man, I really just underestimated that guy. I really should have been trying like that since the start of that fight. I wasted way too many fucking flasks so early. Then my last flask, I literally halved his life. I probably can kill him, but honestly, I'm not feeling it right now in terms of weapons. I feel like I need a different weapon. Okay. Hey, I need a different weapon. I want a different weapon, but I need 30 strength to even wield that. See, that's crazy right there. I run double clubs. That's actually crazy. I'm messing with it though. I'm messing with that double clubs, at least until I get better weapons. This weapon isn't bad. I should probably try upgrading it too. Is that a fucking expo? It is an expo. Well, I know it had that one sniper. Oh shit! Should probably kill him first. That Darwill guy just fucking soloed me, dude. It's kind of cool though, I'm not gonna lie. Bro had style in the way he fought. You gotta appreciate it. Shit, at least I got smacked by someone like him. Whipping Peninsula. Lost Grace discovered. Let's see. Let's just keep going. They don't really got time for this shit anyways. Let's just keep going. Keep going.
Hello?
There's somebody there.
Might I bend your ear for a moment, please?
Might I bend your ear for a moment?
My name is Irina. I've escaped from Castle Morn to the south. The servants there have rebelled. I can't be sure what it is. My eyesight's been weak since birth, you see. But I swear I heard frightful howling from all over. My good father secreted me out the castle, but decided himself to stay. He says it's his duty.
As a commander.
As commander.
Honorable. I fear for father's life.
The servants are
I
full
feel
of wrath.
filled with hatred for every one of us.
Come for every one of the companions I escaped with.
They haven't spared a soul.
I fear it's no different at
Castle
Castle's.
Morn, please, I implore
Would you mind taking a letter to my father at the castle?
Sure.
Please.
I just want him to be safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please
Please take this. Yeah, I do it.
deliver it to my father, who remains
In the castle, if you please. I will. Situation is bad. I ain't gonna lie. It kind of cooked. There's a bunch of dead people around you. Hey, yo. What? Just die. I nobody got time for that shit for real. Why? Come on, then. Die, die. Die. No time to mourn, just die. Die. Two dogs, huh? What's wrong with this guy over here? Well, I don't know about this guy. He really look like he's going through it. What's in here? Morning Star. Ooh. Can I wield that? Ooh. Hold up now. Hold up. We might be cooking now. We might be cooking. Morning Star with the dagger? Sounds like it'll go crazy. Oh. No! Where did this perro come from? Wait, how did I miss? No way, no way. Okay, relax. You guys are wildin'. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. Get out of my way, man. Hey, the range on this is kind of nice. I almost just died. That would have been tragic. Not gonna lie, that would have been tragic. Bye, my boy. Yeah, stone sword key, bastard sword, iron helmet. Oh, this drip kind of looks nice. With small metal skills. Rock lizard. You know, I'm kind of fucking with this one. Let's see what I can sell you. I guess I'll just sell you this. I don't really use that, right? Sell him some armor. I don't really need that shit. We'll keep that. I've really done shit, man. Hey, yo, what the hell is going on over here? This cold activity shit. Nah, fuck that. Fuck it. Hey, yo! How'd you just do that? Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, hold up now. Okay, bro, you can die. It's a long neck motherfucker. Ah, the stupid one's not really looking too good. You're not broken. There you go. Give me that. Die, you old man. Not even try nothing. All that for nothing at all, huh? You guys are scary. And Paler's Catacombs. That doesn't sound inviting, so let's level up. Can only level up once. It's kind of gay. I heard your footsteps, bro. Bro, if you don't stop that. Oh my god. No way, I didn't mean to drink. That's crazy shit right there. I didn't actually mean to drink right there. Okay. Nah, I think he's slick. Bro, don't do this. So now you're being gay. See what happens when you don't fight? Your companions die. I hear more footsteps. It's just not looking too good for me. Ah. Alright, let's keep going. Ah! Okay, so there's one of two things. We know this is a pocket, but is that a pocket? That's the real question there. I don't think that's a pocket. I think it might be dead. I'm dead. No, wait. Okay, bro. Stop with that bullshit. Okay, so if you can't go up, that means it has to be... down. Am I dead? Oh. Classic From Software. Ain't nobody got time for these mummy things. Oh! Watch it, man. You're doing too much. I just met you. I'ma need that. Too bad I ain't fighting. You guys just spawning in for nothing. Ooh, gold eyes. Give me that. Ooh, oh, get off me. I don't wanna. Ah, no! Am I dead? No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm literally one shot. Oh my god. Stupid things, bro. Damn. Please. Okay. Okay, good. There's nothing over here. Ah! Okay, that's wild. No, I might be dead here. Okay. Please, no more. I'm cooked if another person shows up. I'm literally cooked. Bro. Okay, we made it. Okay. Okay, because that's terrible right there, dude. I almost died. Can I level up? Yeah, I can't level up. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I can't teleport out of here? It's because I'm inside a cave? Maybe I could level up my Morning Star. And then we'll fight this guy. Just don't need to level up. I mean, I don't... Might as well.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you. Alright, we can go back to that Impaler's Catacombs and see what's up. Alright, let's see, who is it? Traverse the mist. Oh, it's another, oh! Oh, so we're getting jumped now. No way, no way. No way, bro. I'm literally dead. Shit, bro. Why are they jumping, though? Okay, this isn't fair, man. I literally just got jumped. Ah, well. Definitely not strong enough for that, because I just got jumped. And it's so... That would be an easy boss if those little fucking guys didn't do that little stupid crawl away. It's always so hard to hit them when they do that shit. It's kind of annoying. Shit is annoying, dude. I literally upgraded, didn't even get to use my weapon. Man. Okay, I think that'll be the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.